I've been with the fitness industry for more than 15 years. I started as a competitor, eventually became a judge, and then I'm the IFBB Philippines president as of the moment, and now a franchisee of A1 Pro.
A1, the only one.
Yung passion ko is into fitness. I started 2006. Since then, engaged na talaga ako sa fitness industry. And so, eto nga, naano ko yung fast rising, locally manufactured na supplements. So, nagka-interest ako, why not, nasa fitness industry na rin lang ako. Bakit hindi ako mag-venture into business wherein kilala na ako. It's more affordable than the ones na ini-import natin from other countries. Lahat kahit nga estudyante, and they can afford it. Gusto ko kasi yung gano'n na, kasi pag nag-workout ka, kailangan mo tong mga ganitong products. Gumamit ako ng mga supplements. Kasi parang useless mag-workout pag wala kang supplement. So, kailangan mo syempre ng mga whey protein, mga pre-workout, intra-workout. Siyempre, tinikman ko muna siya. Gusto ko yung mga flavors nila. High quality talaga siya. At saka, ang pinakamaganda pa is yung single serving na packaging niya.
Pasok na pasok sa budget ninyo. Okay? Kung naghahanap kayo ng quality whey protein, A1 na lang.
Nag-pre-workout ako. Yung first, it helps sa workout. Magamit din ako nung yung himbing. Gumagamit ako niyan. After workout, whey protein.
A1, the only one.
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 I'm inviting everyone, hindi lang taga Isabela, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Cagayan. We're now open to serve you guys here. Let's just say Region 2. Pwede kaming mag-ship or yung mga nearby Alicia, we can deliver the same day. Ang operating hours namin is from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and we are located at the second floor on top of 7-Eleven, LM Building, Highway, Magsaysay, Alicia, Isabela. A1, the only one.